Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix speaker not working on REALME GT Neo 5. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply checking your volume levels. In order to do that, we simply have to click either of volume buttons. As you can see, this way we are increasing the volume and this way we are decreasing it. If you are very low or like this, you will see and more importantly, you will hear nothing. And there is no visual indication that you are not receiving any sound. You will just, for example, activate a YouTube video and you will hear just nothing. But let's say you are pretty smart and you have already figured it out. So you've increased the volume and yet nothing happens. You still don't hear anything. Then I would advise you to enable your control center and make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled. Because when we are testing our speakers, we want to receive sound through our speakers and not through our Bluetooth device that we might have connected to our phone. And what if it's still not working? Well, there is one simple thing that can also disable the sound of your phone, and it's the Do Not Disturb mode. If we go to the settings, and if we scroll down to our sounds and vibration right here, we have Do Not Disturb mode. If we click on it, we can see that whenever it's enabled, we could potentially silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So if you have this option enabled and if you use Do Not Disturb mode, then you will receive no sounds whatsoever. So of course, if you want to resolve this issue, all you want to do is simply disable this, and you should be good to go. And lastly, if you're still not hearing anything, I would simply advise you to go to the settings, scroll almost all the way down, go to System and Update, at the top click Software Update, and simply make sure that you have newest update installed. Who knows, maybe the newest update will actually resolve some sort of bugs that may occur during using of speakers, and maybe you are a victim of that bug or that error. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.